When drone enthusiasts first heard about the LTO X1, many assumed it would simply be a budget option that could not seriously compete with DJI's flagship mini drone, the Mini 5 Pro. But after a thorough side-by-side comparison, the results turned out to be far more surprising than anyone expected. The price gap is hard to ignore. Before diving into performance, one number stands out immediately: the price difference. The LTO X1 starts at $330, while the DJI Mini 5 Pro starts at $760. That is roughly $430 cheaper, making the X1 almost half the price of its competitor. When you factor in the combo versions, with an RC2 controller, 2 extra batteries, a charging case, extra propellers, and a bag, the Mini 5 Pro still comes in about $1,160. That price gap becomes the central question throughout the entire comparison. Does the Mini 5 Pro actually justify costing nearly twice as much? Let's talk about where the two drones are identical. Surprisingly, the list of things these two drones share in common is long. Both drones weigh under 250 grams, which is a big deal for anyone who flies regularly. This keeps them in a lower regulatory category in most countries around the world. Pilots generally only need to register themselves and their drone.
On the safety side, both come equipped with obstacle avoidance sensors and front-facing LiDAR sensors. The LiDAR is especially useful in low light or nighttime flying, where standard obstacle sensors tend to struggle. Both drones also feature dynamic home point, a feature that automatically updates the drone's return to home location every few seconds. Both drones also carry Active Track 360, one of the most useful features for solo content creators. It allows the drone to automatically follow and track a subject, whether they are running, cycling, or on a moving vehicle, while orbiting around them on a clock face pattern. Spotlight mode is also available on both, letting the pilot manually control the drone's flight direction while the camera locks onto a subject on its own. In terms of video capability, both record in 4K 60 HDR, both support 10-bit video recording, and both offer the D-Log-M color profile. Slow motion is available on both as well, with the X1 offering 4K at 100 FPS and the Mini 5 Pro going slightly higher at 4K 120 FPS. Battery life is also identical, with both rated at 36 minutes, translating to roughly 25 to 30 minutes of real-world use. Quick shots, master shots, timed photos, and panoramic photos are all present on both drones.
Even the noise levels are close, though the X1 was measured to be slightly quieter than the Mini 5 Pro. Both drones also support auto power on and power off by simply opening or folding the propellers, a small but convenient quality of life feature. So, who should buy which drone? For beginners or casual flyers who want great image quality without spending a fortune, the LTO X1 makes a very compelling case. For professional or semi-professional creators who rely on true vertical video, the rotating gimbal, lossless zoom, or the slightly better low-light performance of the 1-inch sensor, the Mini 5 Pro remains the stronger choice. It is still the most fully featured mini drone available. But here is the interesting takeaway from this comparison. If someone handed over the full budget for a Mini 5 Pro combo, a smart move might be to grab the X1 at its base price and put the remaining 270 pounds toward a more capable drone like the DJI Air 3S. That kind of thinking shows just how much the LTO X1 has shaken up the mini drone market.